Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Ulta Beauty promotional emails. If you don't have an Ulta account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, you will see a section for Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On this page, you will see a section for email preferences. Under Email Preferences is a button for Unsubscribe. Click on Unsubscribe. And now you'll no longer receive promotional emails unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Ulta Beauty promotional emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.